everybody, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. And every comment, every like, every thumbs up y'all give me, it really does help out my channel. So I really appreciate it. The more y'all do it, the more people can see me in their search engine. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, okay, so I'm coming to y'all with wet hair because I just shampooed and deep conditioned my hair and it's wet, and now I'm air drying. So anyway, I want to get into what not to do to your relaxed hair, because as y'all know, your girl had many setbacks, like many setbacks. My hair is here. My hair should be like to my butt right now, as long as I've been on my healthy hair journey. It is ridiculous. I have like done so much to my hair to the point where I'm over it. I'm just focusing on the health of my hair, trying to retain my length at this point. But yeah, I'm really like, let's just get into the video. The first thing that you should do if you want to basically ruin your relaxed hair, you know what, we're gonna title this how to ruin your relaxed hair, is not condition your hair. Now I've seen people, and I got family members that's the culprit of this, that wash their hair, or shampoo, I should say shampoo their hair, don't put no types of piece of conditioner on it, not even a piece of conditioner, not even a rinse out conditioner, let alone deep condition. Boo boo, I'm gonna need for you to put some conditioner on your hair after you put that harsh shampoo on it. And then they shampoo with sulfate shampoo every single week. And don't use conditioner. There's nothing wrong with using sulfate and bubbles on your hair, but you got to follow it up with some conditioner. Leaving protective styles in your hair for too long. Now it's okay to get a weave and a braid and crochets and all that nice jazz so you don't have to do your hair, because I know, I feel y'all pain. I know what it's like to have to do your hair every single day. And it's just so easy to put in a weave or a sew-in or some crochets and just get up in the morning and go. But you don't want to leave it in there too long. Like, you know, I say 6 weeks max for any type of long-term protective style like that. I call those protective styles 6 weeks max. After that, you need to be taking your hair down. You need to be washing your hair. You need to be deep conditioning your hair. Don't leave that style in there for 6 months. Please don't. Please. Come on. Not properly cleansing your scalp. I have been a culprit of this where, you know, you put the conditioner in there, it doesn't really lather up, you just in a rush, you don't really feel like doing 2 or 3 washes. And I have found that times when I wash my hair out, wash the conditioner out, and I scratch my scalp and I got like crud under my nails. So that means, that's telling me that I didn't properly clean my scalp. And when you don't properly clean your scalp can't thrive, ladies and gentlemen. It cannot thrive. It's still dirty. It's gonna be clogged up. So properly clean your scalp. Other ways to ruin your relaxed hair is to not have any relaxed hair. When I say not have any relaxed hair, putting your braids in too tight, tying that scarf around your hair too tight on that hairline will cause this. And a lot of my traction alopecia with my relaxed hair, because it's so weak and thin up here, is from tying my scarf too tight. Now I will put a scarf on my head every single night. You ain't got to worry about me falling asleep without putting a scarf on my head. But what was happening is I was tying that thing on there too tight. Wake up with a mark right here. You got a headache. You got an indent because it's too tight. Don't tie it too tight. Over processing your hair. Baby, you don't need no relaxer every 4 weeks. Every 4 weeks is 4 weeks too much. Now, everybody can't stretch. Stretching your relaxer is not for everybody, and everybody shouldn't stretch. But you should stretch more than 4 weeks. My own sister, I'm calling her out, Alicia Truss, will slap some creamy crack on her hair as soon as she's seen a little bubble. As soon as she see a little bubble right here, she putting relaxer on her hair. And I'm like, sissy, that's too much. It's too often. But now I got to have my edges laid. I got to have my hair flat. Okay, you ain't gonna have no hair. Keep doing it and you ain't gonna have no hair. Do not over process your hair. I like to encourage stretching. I think people should stretch at least 8 to 10 weeks. I know everybody can't do it, and when I say everybody can't stretch over 8 to 10 weeks, but I think everybody can at least stretch for 8 to 10 weeks. 2 months to 2.5 months is a good enough stretch period to where you can get some new growth. Because if you keep slapping that relaxer on a piece of hair that grow out your scalp, 10 times out of 10, you're gonna over process your relaxed hair, because you're gonna put the relaxer to here when you only got new growth to here. So all of this is getting over processed, honey. Just let the hair grow out the scalp a little bit before you put the creamy crack on it. Not adding moisture. So I talked about this in my like what I'm doing to help retain length and moisturize my hair. Make sure y'all go check that out, because I got some awesome moisturizing products for my hair. But one of the main products that I add to my relaxed hair every single day is water. Yep, good H2O. That good old aqua. Putting that in your hair every day is like, and I say this all the time, you water the grass, you water your body. You need to water your hair, because that hair could get dry, especially if you frying it and putting heat in it and coloring it all the time, and not deep conditioning it and over processing it and leaving your protective styles in there too long, not cleansing your scalp. I'm gonna need for you to put a little bit of agua. Just spray it down a little bit to just, bring it back. Just a little bit, bring it back. Because I found that when you put water in your hair, it kind of revives it. It kind of like spruces it up, brings it back to life. So I definitely suggest people to put water, just light mist. I'm not saying get it soaking wet and it's dripping and weigh it down every single day, but light mist your hair every day. Now, if you have flat iron hair, of course you don't want to spray it with water. It's going to revert and, puff up. But when you are able to put water on your hair every single day, you will see a big improvement in your hair if you put water on it every single day, especially to manipulate it. So if you're a type of person that don't necessarily put heat on the hair, but you wear your hair in a bun or whatever, spray it with a little water before you comb through it. You'll see you're able to comb through it a little bit better. Okay, y'all, that's it. I know this is a different type of video, but I want to start doing more hair videos on my channel, and I thought this was a good way to incorporate some healthy hair care practices in by making this video. And these are some of the things that I did that I think aided in my setback, and I don't want it to happen to you. So that's all that I have for this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram here. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.